My name is Vidya Avinash Mahajan. I study in 7th class and I am explaining you digestive system. So let's start. There are three glands in our body: salivary glands, liver, and pancreas. And 7 parts in our body: buccal cavity as mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. So first we take food by the process of ingestion, and salivary glands secrete saliva with that food. Then we chew the food and it broken down into simpler substance. Then it goes to a pipe-like structure called esophagus or food pipe. Then esophagus opens in stomach of gel-like substance in our body. Stomach secretes hydrochloric acid and mucus and digestive juices in our simpler substance of food. Then it goes to liver, and gallbladder stores digestive juices in it. Liver secretes the digestive juices in our digestive parts of food. Then pancreas also secretes digestive juices in it, and then it goes to small intestine. Small intestines, there are villi. They absorbs the nutrients from food. The carbohydrates gets formed into sugar, protein in amino acid, and fats in fatty acid and glycerol. Then it goes to large intestine. Large intestine absorbs the water from it and it goes to rectum. It makes semi-solid of digestive food. Then it goes to anus, and our excreted digested food goes out by the process of digestion. Thank you.
Well done.